it's Shannon here, Art Junkie, drinking my coffee. I'm here with a fancy yarn haul. My birthday this month, so I bought myself some goodies. First thing I got, I ordered at Mary Maxim. The delivery was free, and I had a 15% off back coupon, so that was good. This is a baby love blanket. This is the pattern here. My daughter's girlfriend just had a baby boy, so there's the yarn for that. Should be fun. I got this to make a hat with, and I'll have some extra left over to do whatever else I want to do with it. So that's nice. This is 100% acrylic, 5 ounces, 280 yards, 4 weight, 5mm crochet hook. Pretty. I love it. It's going to be a nice hat. There. I got some yarn to make some dishcloths. First of all, this one, my kitchen is pink, so these are to make a couple kitchen cloths for my kitchen. This one here too, this is the scrubby stuff. I'll make a couple of these as well to go with this, the kitchen. I got this big sucker. This and this are gonna go together. I'm gonna make some baskets, like the one that Becky made. I'm gonna make some of those. Hold on a sec. This is the one Becky made. Wait a minute here. I want it in her. Leave a message on. Not beautiful. So I'm gonna make one like that with this one green, because my desk is green. My desk area is green, so I'm gonna make that. I just made a new basket. This is the one I made before, I believe. Yeah, this is the one I made before. And this is the one I made on the weekend at my daughter's house. I still have enough to make another one, so I'll make those. Now, this one here, isn't this nice? This is the Mary Maxim Marvelous Chunky. Not pretty. It is, let's see here, it's a 5 bulky, 100% acrylic, made in Turkey. I'm going to make a hat out of this as well. Isn't that pretty? I love this. Very nice. And then, my last thing, I bought 8 of these suckers. I'm going to make myself a nice big blanket for my bed. This time, because it's my birthday, I was pulling myself to make things for myself. And a couple other people as well. I've made 2 blankets for my daughter, made one for my mother. I do have an intention to make my mother one for her bed. But I'm going to make this one for my bed. Well, I saw the colors, because this is exactly what my bedroom is. It's teal and yellow. So I saw this is a green, but it looks yellow. I thought, while I can get these, I will get them, and we will go from there. So I got 8 of those. So that's my yarn haul. So beware, be prepared, be watching for many, many yarn events. It's pretty cool, eh? Scrubby stuff. So that's the plan. Thank you guys. I'll be having a Make a Card Monday later on today, and also stay tuned for on Wednesday is the card folding collaboration with Crafty Quilling Lady, Christina's Crafting Things, I believe. Let me double check here. Monica, Paper Mona, Christine, the other Monica, Paper Quilling, and myself. So we're gonna do, what are we doing this time? We are doing Dutch fold cards. So this way and this way, this way and this way. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye.